Set these items aside for now. Attach the carousel base with its 6-pin mini DIN cable. Align the pins with holes in the base plate and base mat. Lift Freddie slightly to route the 8-pin carousel cable. Connect with the flat side facing outwards. Twist and lock the plug connector for your location. Plug Freddie in and switch on the power. The pressure tower will extend and the tongue will move. Set the carousel tray on the carousel base. Align the holes in the tray with the pins on the base. Set the tongue cover on the tongue for now. It's time to install the software. Download the installer and follow the instructions shown. Plug in USB when you see this screen. Make sure the power is switched on. You can now view your serial number. Register at dtm-print.eu/register to receive extended warranty. Close the installer and open the Freddie View software.